Hey y'all, it's Bin Store Brandy here at the warehouse in Augusta, Georgia, here to tell you about our first warehouse sale, Saturday, September 28th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Y'all come see us. We have all kinds of stuff. There's Christmas, there's FC loads, there's Halloween, there's case pack clothes, there's toys, there's beauty, mediums, and
boom shakalaka!
This. We are giving away this pallet. That's right, you heard it. All you have to do is show up and be present. And this pallet right here full of Sony electronics. Giving it away Saturday, September 28th. Be here for our first warehouse sale. Bye. Yeehaw!
Welcome to the Bin Store, Liquidation Pallets and Truckloads. Located right next to I-20, we are easy to get to from Atlanta, Columbia, or even Savannah, the premier destination for direct liquidation pallet sales in the Southeast. At the Bin Store, we specialize in offering incredible deals on overstock merchandise, ranging from top brand electronics to high-quality apparel. Why pay full price when you can find hidden treasures at a fraction of the cost? Our pallets are packed with goods from major retailers, giving you access to unbeatable savings. Located in Augusta, Georgia, with additional locations across South Carolina, we provide a treasure trove of products for savvy shoppers and businesses alike. Visit the Bin Store today, your first stop for liquidation pallets. Find us online at shopbinstores.com.